Get ready for this lightning, because we're gonna make Amelia cut ties with Oswaldo once and for all.
I am so ready to teach Amelia a strict lesson for what she has done. So, let's do this. Operation Make Amelia Cut Ties with Oswaldo is a go.
Who are those two cats, Mem?
So Lightning, you are wondering why you're with me, right?
Well, yeah, but the problem is that.
Let me guess, your band doesn't have any lyrics. But don't worry, because I have a crazy plan that just might work.
Really? But how are you gonna do that?
Well, once we commentate on Amelia Anderson, we'll make her cut ties with.
Too bad, so sad. You are gonna cut ties with Oswaldo and that's that.
Screw off intro.
Oh my gosh, your new TTS voice sounds so stupid, lame, dumb, lazy, pathetic, and weak. Ha 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 ha.
Hey! Stop making fun. Leave my new friend alone, Mem. Don't you dare hurt the orange cat, Mem.
Huh, what was that? Well, it's all just a pigeon. Let's continue the video.
Oh my god, this user sucks. This user likes to kill many people with posts and she trying to bullying with all bad users, which is bad enough.
Well, that's what those alcoholic losers get.
She likes to make sock puppeting commentaries and interrupted of bad users' videos.
Hey, don't you even
Stop right there. Are you about to show your hypocrisy? Bruh, now only your topic's not any better, but you can't handle the truth. You just make us funnier than I expected that you already would. Let's skip this part.
Oh, you know you're gonna go to hell for this.
Haha. What's the matter, Amelia? Did you get all but hurt when you got obliterated by Avril Lavigne? Do you need your bottle of milk? Ha 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 ha.
And also, do you really—
Jam, no response. Well, that's what I thought.
Maybe you fucked yourself up, man. Maybe
I don't want you both.
I don't want.
Don't. But, shut the fuck now. Not until you tell me you're innocent minded shining glitter cookie. Go, and stop interrupting my fucking speech, where I was trying to echo of you very loudly. Do you fucking understand? Good. Now shut the fuck up and skipped.
What the fuck was that rage? Oh my god! What?
Shut up! Shut the fuck up!
Oh no! I'm scared! You pulled out a gun! I'm about to get shot!
Stop! Fucking— Oh no.
Don't you ever try to assassinate Masuki Utrina Riffin 2.0.
Then stop making fun of me, my crying emotion, and my Anna voice, and leave me the fuck alone right this instant.
And stop supporting Oswaldo right now, Rapunzel, who acts like an entitled curry.
Now. Just.
Think about—
Bitch, what? You just put a number on there?
Shut the fuck up!
Nah, I'm good, but thanks for asking.
Stop making fun out of my precious lowercase a.
Blood, that's just a letter. What's so precious about a letter, my guy?
Quit using that strike and stop interrupting with the stupid letter and numbers.
There. I stole Cure Arcana Shadow's voice because this voice is mine.
Mem-mem powers activate Mem.
What the? Mem-mem. How dare you change my voice back to Allison? And wait. Where on earth did you get that bell from?
What the? I thought a cute yellow dragon.
Hello lightning, Mem-mem.
Oh my gosh. It's a cute yellow dragon. And, his name is Mem-mem? Excuse me Mem-mem, are you actually a dragon?
Of course I am Mem. Just make a wish and I'll make it all come true, Mem.
Well, I was wondering if you could surprise me with a special magic trick.
Wish granted, Mem. I'll make it all come true, Mem. Mem-mem powers activate, Mem.
Katamati imanate, raita ninguga jibunjishin o oishi pati oria ni henshin sa setate koto.
I am a true ramen noodle god warrior. Thank you Mem-mem for granting my wish.
Our own bandmate has become a delicious party warrior by a cute yellow dragon.
And his outfit is so impressive and excellent.
Wait, you mean that a cute yellow dragon named Mem-mem came to the studio and granted Lightning's wish to become a delicious party warrior?
Yup, pretty much.